Well, of course, the storms have moved through, but crews haven't even fully surveyed that damage yet. So, Chris, could we see more confirmed tornadoes in the coming hours as crews are able to get out there on the ground under the daylight?
You know, that's just it. Once the sun comes up tomorrow morning, I think we're going to get a better look at all of this damage that we've been dealing with. I know these storms came through in the afternoon, but we're getting these looks at it at night. And then tomorrow morning, once the sun comes up, we, of course, are going to see, I think, even more widespread damage around. The National Weather Service will be going out to survey those areas of damage, to rate the ones that we've already confirmed, to find out what, if it was an EF, 1, 2, 3, or 4. We just don't know yet what it is, but I do think we're going to see some high numbers with that. And then even more tornadoes could be confirmed after they look at some of that damage. And this is going to take days to assess all the damage that's been around our area. The rain storms are gone right now. That pushed off to the east. You see that now moving into South Carolina. More storms down in South Georgia. These prompted additional tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings earlier, but now those are starting to calm down a little bit. We're dry in Atlanta now. We had a few showers up in North Georgia earlier, rotating around that area of low pressure well up to the north. But you can see this is how the storms looked as they moved through the area, impacting many folks in North Georgia. This is our time lapse from our tower cam looking from Midtown down in the downtown areas. The clouds built in, and then look at that. Here comes the storms. Boom, right there through Atlanta. Luckily, they didn't last long, but when they did come through, it did cause a lot of damage, a lot of wind, a lot of rain, and of course, even some of those tornadoes that we had around parts of North Georgia. Now just dealing with, of course, cloudy skies in some spots, the severe weather threat down to the south, level 1 to 2 threat in parts of central and South Georgia. We had that level 3 threat here earlier, and that verified with the strong storms that we were dealing with. Temperatures falling tonight. We move down into the lower 40s here by tomorrow morning. It's going to be breezy. Still some clouds around, but here's the deal for tomorrow. As that cold air comes in and we still have some clouds around, that's going to squeeze out any remaining moisture in those clouds and even give some parts of North Georgia some snow flurries. Now, we're thinking that surface temperatures will stay above freezing, so we're not expecting widespread issues there, but maybe some accumulations on some grassy areas. Then we're going to watch those temperatures tomorrow, topping off only in the mid-40s, whereas today we made it into the lower 70s, so much colder tomorrow. We're down to below freezing Saturday morning at 31 with a high of 47. Mostly sunny through the weekend, cold again Sunday morning in the upper 20s, but then warming in the afternoon to 55. The King holiday, dry, cool, 57 for a high with a few clouds around. Showers coming in Tuesday, lower rain chances Wednesday and Thursday, but we're going to be warm again next week, back to the 60s.